am making cream cheese brownies. I've got my brownie mix. Now, just to make these taste better, I'm using half oil and half butter. So I've already melted my 1/3 of a cup of butter, and now I've got my 1/3 of a cup of oil to make 2/3 of a cup. Then I have my water. I'm just following the directions on the back of the brownie mix. Got my pan, spray it with oil, and I am putting in my brownie mix. All right, now we're gonna make the cream cheese. All right, I got my cream cheese, got my egg, and my sugar, and my vanilla. All right, now I've got my cream cheese, and we're going to fold the batter, cream cheese into the batter. A nice clean edge. Oh my goodness, we're gonna go bake this. That smells so good. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. Here is my brownies. Now, if you don't want to get your brownies all, what do you call it? The edges all smashed, use a plastic knife. See how it makes a nice smooth cut. Now my edges got a little done. Oh my goodness, that looks so delicious.